Generational crypto market opportunities to come up here in 2023. That's what my guy, analyst Benjamin Cowan, is talking about in his latest update video on YouTube. Want to break this down? We've been talking about this. Cowan does a much better job than me at going inside the numbers. He is a seasoned trader. I love listening to his perspectives, and he's talking about when the bottom could actually happen in crypto and where these opportunities are going to come, what to look for as well. We're going to dive into all of that in this video. So stick around to the end of the video because we've got a lot to unpack here. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back by the channel. So let's check this out. Benjamin Cowan, again, analyst that does a fantastic job diving deep into the technical analysis of cryptocurrency, says, I don't think we will eventually get to the lower green trend line. We're going to talk about what that is and what he means by this in just a second. Do we go down into it? Honestly, that's what I would prefer because I think it provides more opportunity. Of course, there's always a chance we go sideways until we hit it. We've done that before, and we are going sideways right now in the cryptocurrency market. It's been very boring since the FTX crash, right? If you look at 2015, he says, it's a good example of coming out of a year-long bear market, and rather than going down into a trend line, we just trade sideways until we hit it. That's what happens toward the back end of bear markets. We usually trend sideways for a really long time, guys. It gets extremely boring, but we can also look at this as a fantastic opportunity to accumulate our favorite cryptocurrencies. He says kind of the same thing happened in 2018. We go down there, we actually poked our head back up, and then, more or less, we just went sideways until we hit the trend line, and then the bull market started again. I don't really think a sustained bull market is going to occur, he says, though, until we hit this lower green trend line. Either we go down to it in the short order, or we go sideways long enough for it to slowly catch up. So this is the green trend line he's talking about right here in his recent video, talking about where we could go here in the next few months to start out 2023. Looking at Cowan's chart, he predicts a crypto market bottom around the second half of this year. Interesting. Now, Cowan also says the market conditions in 2022 that made cash the stronger position will likely change this year, as he expects crypto to present generational accumulation opportunities. Let me say that again. Generational accumulation opportunities. The good thing is I do think 2023 will bring plenty of opportunities to get into the market. As you guys know, in 2022, I've often said cash is king. Stack cash. I do think we're going to have some pretty generational opportunities coming up, so stay tuned for that. This is what we've been talking about, ladies and gentlemen, since the back half of 2022 started, and we had validation that we were in a bear market. Many people have checked out. But let me tell you this, it is time to check in. It is time to punch the time clock because right now, these opportunities that we have at our doorstep only come around every 10 years or so. And I'm talking about crypto, stocks, potentially even real estate opportunities. The opportunities to buy all of these assets at a much cheaper price than they were a year ago. These type of opportunities do not come around all the time. This is where wealth is made. I'm telling you guys, I know it's hard to see it right now. It's hard to fathom what's happened here in the last year. It's hard to stay locked in. It's hard to stay motivated. But this is the time period where the most time needs to be allocated for looking at new investments, for looking at new strategies, for looking at new diversification strategies within your portfolios across stocks, crypto, real estate. Doesn't matter. This is the time. This is the time right now. So subscribe for more down below. If you like this style content, we're going to be here every single day. Shout out to Tradix. They're developing a new app. They're up in the top right-hand corner. Links down below. New app to help track all your DeFi investments. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping by. We'll talk in the next video. See ya.